Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapte. So summer is here and today I'm gonna show you my summertime favorite skincare products. I focus on soothing, cooling things because my skin gets crazy, like it gets rash, whiteheads. So yeah, let's start with this gel based things. See, during winter I don't use gel much, but during summer I do go for gel based products. Not necessarily aloe vera, can be any kind of gel. I use it especially when I go out and I come back after a long day spent in summer to soothe my skin. Then I use the gels as a hair mask before shampooing. Even when I shave, I first use aloe vera gel or any kind of gel, then I go on shaving my skin. When I don't want to use moisturizer, I use gel, then I follow up with squalane. I keep the gels in the freezer, and right now I have these four gel based products. This Plum and this Innisfree. I use these things mostly on my body for shaving or sometimes just as it is. Plum aloe gel is very thin in consistency, where this Innisfree is kind of thick, but it barely has aloe, though it claims to be aloe vera gel. Then next I have this Sebamed and Etude House gel. These things mostly I use on my face because these are kind of expensive. The Sebamed has aloe vera in it, where this Etude House, it doesn't have aloe vera, and it suits my skin the best, the Etude House one. And sometimes I use this gel to mix my Uptan, and from Uptan I'm gonna tell you the DIY that I use. So this is not actually Uptan, this is actually matcha green tea powder. And what I do, I mix this matcha green tea with sometimes fermented rice water, gel, sometimes yogurt. Then I make one mask and I use this, and it works the best for my skin. And this is one thing I do over and over again during summer. This face mask works like a charm. Then I use this used tea bags. I keep it in the freezer, then I put it on my eyes, and it feels very soothing. I'm not a big DIY person, but these are the DIY things that I do. The other thing that is very important for me is that a gentle cleanser. During summertime, our skin, it can get sweaty and oily than usual, so people think that face wash that can make their skin squeaky clean can be very good. No, those kind of face washes can be very stripping, so I stick to gentle, pH balanced, very mild cleansers. Sometimes I use micellar water as the first cleanser, and then I go on with this. And these are my favorite, like most favorite cleansers, and I have made a video where I gave you more options when it comes to cleansers. So yeah, pick one cleanser that suits your skin, that feels gentle, non-stripping, and you are good to go. And this is the base, and then you move on to treatment. And I have many serums, but this Niamax one, it works the best for my skin. I use it again and again. Other serums I use on and off, but I'm kind of consistent with this Niamax, and I see myself using this throughout this summer. This is niacinamide based treatment. And for moisturizers, see, recently I found this kind of expensive moisturizer, which is Clayer's Fundamental Gel Cream. I don't like to spend much on moisturizer, but this one works really really well for my skin, so I'm sticking to it. It's my guilty pleasure. For good and affordable option, you can check my moisturizer recommendation video. And during the night time, I'm using this Beardo sleeping mask. Even I found this one very recently, this Sika sleeping pack. It is working really well for my skin. It's kind of thick, so I think it won't suit for oily skin type. I have dry skin type, kind of like a little bit dry skin. I think it will suit more normal to oily skin type. And yeah, this is working very good. And I use any random lip balm. Then chemical exfoliant. See, during summer, what happens to me, I get whiteheads a lot, so AHA is a must for me. Then I use BHA once in a week. These three are my favorite. This AHA one, this is mandelic acid, this is AHA, alright. So I use this twice in a week. For BHA, I love this minimalist salicylic acid a serum, and PHA, I like this serum, toner from Minimalist, but I'm not using this as much as these other two products. So tonight I'm going to use AHA. This is mandelic acid from Moisture, this is almost out of stock, but I really love this. I love how it makes my skin feel, and whiteheads gone. Texture, what is texture when I use this product? So yeah, then the most important thing, sunscreen. So I have used many sunscreens, and these are the things that I have right now. I'm trying to finish this things, then I'm gonna move on to new things to try out to give you more options. And I like La Shell physical sunscreen very much, then Below sunscreen. And yeah, just use sunscreen, use whichever sunscreen you feel that is working for you. All right, I mean, any functional sunscreen is better than no sunscreen. Then yes, little doesn't go long way. When it comes to sunscreen, you need quite a bit amount, and you need to reapply it. So yeah, all the best with your sunscreen game during this summer. And now I'm going to show you the body care products that I use during summer. And I have very basic routine. These two things I use as cleanser, body cleanser. The Johnson & Johnson one is very mild. It works as a great body cleanser. Sometimes I use this as hair cleanser as well. This is pH balanced, gentle, non-stripping, very affordable. And this one from Neutrogena, this is actually a face wash, but it was too drying for my face, so I'm using this on my body. This has salicylic acid, so if you have body acne, it's gonna work great because of BHA. And the scrubs I use when I shave my body, and these are okay, just you can see on the screen I written. And then I have body butters and lotions. I have found this body butter from Petal Fresh very recently. I like this has fragrance, but on my body can be okay. For fragrance free option, you can go for Aveeno, then Bioderma. And yeah, this body butter is actually good. I use this mostly on my hands, and then on my legs. For my legs, I use this from Palmer's. This is kind of thick because my legs are drier than my hands. I also recommend Aveeno Dermexa Emollient Cream. That one is very, very good. And yes, don't forget to apply sunscreen all over your body if your skin is exposed to sun. And yeah, that's all. I think we are good to go. I am good to go for this summer. Though I'm not I don't like summer much, to be very honest, but it's okay. And so yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching my video. And yeah, Tata loves cucumber. So okay, enough of this. See you very soon. Bye 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 bye.